Hey y'all, it's Jeanine Amapola and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time seeing my face, I hope you will subscribe and stick around for more of my videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, hello, I've missed you. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the June selections from Fabletics. So if you guys don't know, I am an ambassador for Fabletics, which I am still so honored to work with them. So this video will be sponsored, but I have been working with this brand for 6 months now. It is still a dream come true that I've gotten to work with this brand because I love them. I stand by everything they believe and just love their clothing. So they sent me a very big package of all their June pieces, and I did do a little bit of an unboxing already on my Instagram, so that's why some of the pieces are opened, which if you want to get sneak peeks beforehand, just follow my Instagram, it's Jeanine Amapola. But there's so many amazing things in this box this month, so I'm going to be showing you guys different materials and patterns and just what is in this month's selections that you guys can shop yourself. The link is always down below if you guys want to get some Fabletics yourself because I love their stuff. So let's go ahead and go through this, and then as I'm going through it and opening it, I will show you guys it on me and I will kind of talk about it in the mirror as I'm trying it on and then kind of give you my thoughts on it as I'm trying it on. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so before I start, if you guys want to get anything I'm about to show you, you can use the link down below and you guys can check out as either a guest or a VIP member, but there's tons of perks to join as a VIP member, which I will have listed on the screen. But when you choose to sign up as a VIP member, what you're going to do is you're just going to take a quick little style quiz so we can kind of find out what your style is, and then you have the option to start shopping some styles that are curated just for you, and then you can either choose to check out as a guest or a VIP member like I said. And then the final thing is, the only thing they ask is that between the 1st and the 5th of every month, you either choose to shop or you hit skip. It's just that easy, so that's how you do it. But like I said, I do recommend you guys to join as a VIP member because there are more perks within that. And when you do sign up as a VIP member, you can get 2 pairs of leggings for $24. You can save a lot of money, so definitely look into doing that. So let's go ahead and begin and get into the first piece. So this is the Win set though. This is adorable. This is super stretchy material. This is the Power Hold material, which is absolutely my personal favorite style and material because it is very firm. It's gonna like lift the booty up, suction everything in, and I really like the way that this kind of like goes on my waist and makes me feel like I'm just like cut. So okay, so the next thing are these Alicia shorts, and you will see this pattern a lot. This is the spotted orchid pattern, and I think it is the cutest thing. And I'm not typically one who like really likes the biker shorts trend, but these are so cute and they fit very well. So big fan of these, and I just love this color as well. And this print is so different. I really like it. All right, time to open up another thing. All right, so I got this shirt right here. This is the Christine Seamless Open Work Tank, and I'm probably gonna wear these together, so that's a really cute set right there. Okay, next thing is the Connor Seamless Sports Bra in white. This is an extra small, and I do wish I sized up a little bit because these do run a little bit smaller, but the back is incredible. And these, I like sleep in these bras because they're that comfy. So definitely recommend these as well. Sorry, I think the lighting keeps changing, but the next thing is this one. I already opened up and wore it to the gym. Oops, because I saw the color and I just couldn't help resist. But this is the Kessler Medium Impact Sports Bra, and it is in the color Coral. This is the most fun color. It really brings out your tan. And these are one of my most favorite sports bras as well. The support is incredible on these and the padding. So I really love this set, but this set is just so cute. Okay, this is something else that I already tried on because I couldn't help it, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. But the back of this sports bra is incredible. I don't own any bras like this. I love just like the detail and how different it is. The back really is what sold me on it. And this has really good support. I was doing a lot of kettlebell and jumping up and down yesterday, and this really just kept me nice and lifted. So I really do recommend this bra as well. Oh, here we are. These leggings, which again, you guys, these are the mid-rise Trinity pocket leggings, and these are incredible. I love the way these feel. The material is super soft. The Trinity leggings are easily one of my most favorite pairs of leggings as well, and I love the pockets because I don't like to carry my phone around, so I'll just stick my phone in there, have my wireless headphones in, and I'm good to go. And I love this color so much. Okay, moving on to burgundy colors. This is also a Power Hold material, so again, very thick. It's great for high impact multi-sport activities. And these ones are the high-waisted Trinity Mesh Power Touch Capris. And I love these. These don't have pockets, but it does have something back here if you do want to stick your phone or cards or whatever back there. But I love this color and the fit is great on these. All right, up next, another sports bra. I got another Connor seamless sports bra, but I'm not exactly sure what color this is, but it's like a really pretty lilac kind of purpley pink color. And again, I love these bras in the back. This is the Cashel Performance Swing Tank. And I love these because it has a built-in sports bra, which I think is so cool. And the support on it is amazing. The back is super cute. And it's just like a really easy thing just to throw on. You don't even have to think about it. So I love this color and I love the white. So it is also an extra small. All right, so we got some white leggings, which if you saw my last Fabletics video, I was raving about how I love white leggings. These fit a little bit differently. So these are gonna be a little bit thinner, and these are kind of more for like yoga type of stuff. So this is the Cashel Fold Over Power Form Legging. So moisture wickening, always stretch, chafe free, UPF 50 sun protection. And these have kind of like this scrunchy detail at the leg. So these are kind of good for like yoga, a bar class or something like that. Never owned these before, so these are exciting to get. Again, this is Power Hold material, which I already told you guys about. And I just think this pattern is so cute. So I always love getting another good power hold. Up next is the Hannah Sleeveless Hooded Vest. And you probably can't see it very well because it is white, but it's just a vest that's really cool. You can like throw on with like your white sets or when you're done with the gym. Cause like I personally like to go run groceries after the gym, but I don't want like my butt kind of like showing when I'm in the grocery store. So I kind of like this to kind of cover that. So this will be awesome. And I like that maybe on a hotter day, this is better because it is a vest. So that's really nice. Up next, we have the seamless high-waisted statement capri. So seamlesses have light compression, and these are kind of perfect for like yoga or lounging around. And this is also still moisture wickening fabric and the high ribbed waistband for compression. And yeah, these are very comfy. So this is one of them. All right, next we have some joggers. These are the Kerrigan joggers. Okay guys, these are my first time trying these joggers on, and let me tell you, I am so impressed. Let me show these to you guys. Love these. I don't think I've ever found joggers that fit me as good as these. And they actually make my butt look good, which normally joggers do not do that, and they're like, oh my gosh, I cannot. I'm so happy I got these. I've been looking for some really dope joggers, and these are them. Has a zipper at the bottom and some pockets. Like these will be really warm, and they're super stretchy too. These are awesome. Okay, I got another Christine tank, but this one's in black. I showed you guys this before. I really like these again. I love my neon one, my neon yellow one I have from them. Next we have the Cashel crop swing tank, which I use these a lot actually. I was just using the white one yesterday, and that's what this one looks like. Kind of this really pretty lilac color again. Next, we have the Kessler Medium Impact Sports Bra, but this is just in like a baby pink color. So I talked about this earlier. I love these sports bras a lot. We have a high-waisted solid power hold capri, and this again is my favorite material. So I'm really glad I got this. And it has a pocket inside, which is dope. Okay, awesome. So the box is now empty. But I want to go really quickly and show you guys all the materials of their leggings because a lot of people are curious about them, and I want to kind of go through really quickly what each material is, how it fits, and kind of the compression on each of them. Okay, so really quickly, I'm gonna go through the materials. I already told you about the power hold. Power holds have the max compression, and these are the thickest material. And again, these are perfect for high impact multi-sport activities. Again, this is the Pure Luxe material. This is great for yoga or bar, and this is medium to light compression. The next material is what the Trinity leggings are. These are the Motion 365 material. These are high compression. These are perfect for all activities, anything you're doing, whether you're going to and from events or to the grocery store, whatever. These are perfect for that. And it just has superior support as well as a lot of breathability, so you have a lot of versatility in your workouts. Okay, then there's the new Ultra Cool, which I really do like this material as well. This is medium to high compression, and these are really great for like running and spin classes. And they're super sleek and aerodynamic, and it's kind of meant to kind of like cool you down because of the material. So I love this material. Next is the Sculpt Knit material, and this is medium compression, and this is great for studio/performance activities. And its engineered compression kind of sculpts and compresses you in all the right places. Okay, so this is the Pure Luxe material like I told you about before. This is good for like yoga and bar. This is a medium to light compression, and it just has super soft kind of buttery material that's perfect for all ranges of motion. And last but not least is the Seamless like I talked about. This is the lightest compression. It's great for just lounging around, yoga, going to and from, you know, wherever you're going. Super comfortable with its like skin-like feel. So yeah, those are all the materials, and hopefully that can help you guys get a better idea of what you're wanting to purchase when you are looking to get some Fabletics. because obviously depending on what workouts you're doing, you want to get the right appropriate clothing. So hopefully that helps you out, guys. Hopefully that helps you out just a little bit. Okay, so that is my unboxing. That's everything from this month. If you guys want to pick them up yourself, you can do so in the link down below. And just remember that the styles change every single month. So if you want to get it, you have to get it before the month is over. So you can use the link down below to do that. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys and kind of just inspired you on what you want to purchase from Fabletics. And please let me know what other videos you want to see down below. I would really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much to Fabletics for sponsoring this video. It's an honor to work with them. All my links down below, my vlog channel, Instagram, Twitter, all of that is down below. It's all Jeanine Amapola, and my vlog channel is Jeanine TV. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out, Girl Scout. Bye, guys.